ट्रांजेक्शन में जल्दी आपको आता है। कई बार ना फाइल कॉलिंग कई बार हो जाता है नहीं कॉल हो रहा है वो पैसे ले गया वो करने का लेकिन वो रिसीव करने के लिए उसके लिए कई बार क्या होता है ना अभी बैंक का पैसा टेबल का जमा रहता है तो
Hello, Soumya.
Yes, we can hear you.
Kareem, shuru.
Yeah.
Hello, ladies. Good evening. And I hope we have male counterparts also with us today, attending this virtual get-together with all our premier members. So I welcome you all to our first virtual meeting. Actually, this was not a plan before because मुझे लगा कि I'll take a personal review call with each one of you. Then I thought, let's have a get together as we have this premium members. It's a big family forum. So I welcome you all and I hope we have everyone with us. सौम्या सब आ गए?
Yes, I think maximum are with us. There are few joining. Yeah. I think we can ask them to switch on their videos also if they want.
Right. Could everyone please switch on their videos? Because हमें देखना है कौन कौन है हमारे साथ. And let's have first, let's do the pass on this honor to Gitanjali Banerjee to start the meeting.
8 seconds. Okay, hi everyone. I am Gitanjali Banerjee, founder of Fertility Dost, and I am very happy to have you all here with us. सबसे पहली बात तो very happy that you guys trusted us with the very, very sensitive and very important phase of your life. And I can assure you that as a team of Fertility Dost, we are trying our best to give you exactly what you might need in your journey. And we want that you all feel and behave like a family because we need to support each other. And this kind of fertility journey I have been through myself and I know it's a very difficult journey. A lot of times you don't get answers, you are confused, it is very difficult to take decisions. You can't trust कि आयुर्वेदा करे कि एलोपैथी करे कि क्यों नहीं हो रहा है, कब होगा. You just can't plan anything. There are a lot of issues. I don't know whether we'll be able to solve all of them, but I know one thing for sure, that we will always be there to listen to you, to support you, to guide you, to give you whatever you need, and always wish you the best. कि जल्द से जल्द आप इस जर्नी से निकल के नेक्स्ट फेज पे पहुंचे एंड हेल्दी, हैप्पी एंड बढ़िया करके पहुंचे और हमें बहुत अच्छे you remember us with good thoughts. So we wanted to do this quick catch up with all of you, because we want to know from you what all we can do better, what all you have experienced, and just be like a family. Please be very honest. If it is absolutely, we are okay to listen any feedback, constructive criticism, anything we can do more to improvise. And आप लोग को कैसा लग रहा है इस जर्नी में, how you started, जब आपने हमारे साथ जुड़े थे, क्या आपके थॉट्स थे, और now when you are in the program, some of you are closing the program, some of you are going towards more treatments of IVF, or I know for sure some of you have conceived also. I don't know, पूर्णिमा कोई है यहाँ पे जिन्होंने एक ने तो खबर दी थी, sorry we will not be naming the person, because अभी हम लोग इंडियन ट्रेडिशंस में बहुत स्ट्रांगली इसको बिलीव करते हैं कि फर्स्ट 3 months तक वी विल कीपिंग इट fingers crossed and touch wood. तो इसीलिए we will not be sharing the details of any of you. So, and this is a closed group, this is a very safe space. यहाँ पे जो लोग आप लोग हैं सब similar journeys में हैं, so feel free to talk. One thing me and Purnima have realized in this journey, अपना जब self journey हम कर रहे थे और जब ये हम fertility दोस्त को बना भी रहे थे, that talking and venting out good, bad, whatever comes unfiltered and in a non-judgmental environment helps a lot. Because हम किसी और से भी बात करते हैं, यहाँ तक कि मैंने अपने experience में देखा, even if I used to speak to my mom, उनको ये बात नहीं समझ में आती थी उस लेवल पे, क्योंकि उन्होंने वो चीज नहीं फेस करी है. तो उनको हाँ दुख लगता था, they will feel bad for us, they will want to help us definitely, but they will exactly not know what we are going through, why we are having these mood swings. Similarly, even my sister, she has a natural pregnancy, उसका हुआ था. In fact, उनका मैं उससे बड़ी हूँ 5 years, but उसका baby 3-4 साल पहले ही हो गया था, while I was still in the journey. And when she conceived, then the first thing, पहला कॉल उसने मुझे ही करा और मुझे बोला, दीदी आई हैव टू टेल समथिंग, आई डोंट नो हाउ टू टेल यू, मैं ये करना नहीं चाहती थी पर पता नहीं कैसे. आई सेड ये क्या है, क्या नहीं करना चाहती थी, क्या हो गया और क्या बताने में तुम इतना हिचकिचा रही हो. लाइक शी इज माय यंगर सिस्टर. सबसे पहली बात यही होती है कि मतलब तुम्हारा टी शर्ट मेरा ही है वाला टोन पे बात होती है, तो ये इतनी हिचकिचाहट कहाँ से आ रही है. Then she said that we were not planning and I always wanted कि तुम बड़ी हो तो तुम्हारा पहले. Oh God, I'm getting emotional. So to cut the long story short, so she told me that she has conceived and she was feeling really bad कि तुम बड़ी दीदी हो और तुम I mean, so I said कि बड़ी छोटी की बात नहीं है, everybody has a journey and I'm very happy. तुम्हारा बेबी मेरा ही पहला बेबी है. I'm very happy. Please तुम ये सब बात मत सोचो और you go ahead happily. And हो सकता है फैमिली में खुशी आएगी उस बेबी का चेहरा देख के, मेरा भी गुड न्यूज बहुत जल्दी आ जाएगा. So we have been through. अभी मैं कुछ दिन पहले भी एक व्हाट्सएप में अपने ग्रुप में चैट में पढ़ रही थी कि भाई मेरी बेस्ट फ्रेंड का बेबी हो गया है और मैं क्या करूं. तो yes, ये these things नॉर्मली नहीं समझ में आती हैं दूसरे लोगों को, कि हम बुरा नहीं चाहते हैं लेकिन फिर भी दुख एक अजीब सा हो रहा है, हम खुद ही उसको समझ नहीं पा रहे हैं. वी आर ऑल्सो नॉट एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड कि ये क्यों ऐसा हो रहा है, या क्या मैं गलत कर रही हूँ, क्या इनफैक्ट मैंने एक ब्लॉग भी लिखा था उसी फेज में कि एम आई अ विच, क्या मैं इतनी गंदी हो गई हूँ कि मैं किसी का बेबी सुन के मेरे को रोना आ रहा है. तो ये किस तरह की इंसान में बनती जा रही हूँ. बेबी तो बहुत दूर की बात है, किस तरह की इंसान में बन रही हूँ. So today in this thing we just want it to be a free flowing conversation and welcome to all of you. Double welcome to all the husbands. I see Khyati के husband है यहाँ पे, and I've seen Khyati's husband in a lot of other events also. Very good, very supportive. In fact, जो husbands नहीं भी, I know they are always supporting and in spirit. कभी कभी लड़ाइयाँ हो जाती हैं, mood swings हो जाते हैं, but then at the end of the day, all of us know that they are with us. So it's a very important thing. Please stay with your wives. This is a very difficult time for them, and बहुत जल्दी everything will come back. Mood swings is very normal in this. Yeah, so मैंने बहुत ज्ञान दे दिया है. Now you guys, I'm open to any feedback, any questions you have, anything you want to share. अगर आप publicly नहीं भी बोलना चाहते हैं तो आप मुझे मैसेज करें. My number is with पूर्णिमा. आप लोग के पास भी है ही. WhatsApp ग्रुप में तो WhatsApp ग्रुप में तो मैं हूँ. आप वहां से मुझे WhatsApp कर सकते हैं. Feel free to connect with me anytime. Any questions you can ask. So पूर्णिमा, I'll not ask you कि क्या शुरू करना है, कैसे शुरू करना है. Please go ahead. Take it from here.
So let's start. सबसे पहला and like perfect question I think ये सबके दिमाग में होगा कि when all of you got this first call from our counselor asking you कि we have this FCP, that is fertility coach program, तो क्या thoughts थे? क्या आपने सोचा था कभी कि ये प्रोग्राम आपको किसी तरीके से हेल्प करेगा? तो let's start. ख्याति, क्या सोचा था तुमने? Like we have lot many conversations before you enrolled in this program. So anything particular that clicked in your mind कि yes, I should opt for this?
Hi Purnima, hi Anjali. It was nice interacting with you all, and I feel that it's a really good platform wherein we are getting this opportunity to meet so many people who are in the same journey with me or maybe ahead of me. I mean, like whosoever I am conversating with, they have either completed one IVF or 2 IUIs or something like that. But I always feel that we are all sailing in same boat. Maybe one day or the other, everybody will be blessed with the kids. That is what I always feel. And another thing is, I have never joined yoga in my life, but this is the first time I am participating in a yoga. And I really feel happy that I'm doing yoga at this age, and I am feeling that energetic, and there is no lethargy in my body at all nowadays. And just not me, even my husband feels the same thing. And regarding the diet, I've been following the diet with so many other nutrition previously also, and this also I feel it's really good, and the seed cycle really found interesting, and it's helping me a lot. So probably I'm looking forward better things in the life. I'm like coming ahead in the program. That's all from my side.
Thank you, Khyati. And next we want to have Bhopali's view. मुझे लगता है मैं जब सबसे पहले सुबह उठ के अपना WhatsApp देखती हूँ तो I just look for those positive affirmations by our coaches. So is that you, the one who does the same? So Bhopali, could you tell us कि तुम affirmations देखने के बाद कुछ ऐसा करती हो कि हाँ जो affirmations में है, you feel positive after reading that, and you want to inculcate those affirmations in your daily routine? So do we have Bhopali with us?
I don't think so. He's here.
Okay. So let's ask this same question with Roja. Hi, Roja.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi. So do you feel positive after reading those affirmations?
Yes, ma'am, indeed. And to be in a community where, like Khyati said, all of us, in the same boat, going through almost same struggles, and it feels nice, ma'am, just to, like you said, went out frustration, anger, or good things or bad things. It just feels good. Like Gitanjali ma'am said, our parents, yeah, they do understand, and I too have a sister, she understands, but having a community where every one of us are more or less same, and just where we can freely talk with no judgments. If I talk with my mom, it's okay, she won't judge me, but it's still not the same with you guys, it's altogether different. And these affirmations, and I especially love the meditations, ma'am. I regularly do the meditations before I go to sleep. I am doing it for the past 1 week, and it has really, really helped me a lot. It made me sleep better, and when I woke up, I just felt really nice. It wasn't like this before I joined your community. Yeah, ma'am, it feels nice. And thank you so much for doing this for all of us.
Thank you. Actually, मुझे लगता है we are not doing this for all of you. We are doing this for ourselves. कहीं ना कहीं एक अंदर है कि हम वो कर नहीं पाए. So now we are like, let's do it together.
Yeah, helping us out, going through
Right.
this journey. Yeah.
So
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. I'll ask next question from Srijana. Srijana, how you feel like when you see such colorful platters in the morning? different food items. मुझे लगता है सब तैयारी करते हैं प्लेट सजा के फोटो क्लिक करने की. So how you feel?
To be very fair and honest, ma'am, I had already discussed in the group that I'm a very bad cook. I really don't know much. I just prepare very simple dishes. Actually, I have no interest in cooking from the very beginning, to be very honest. So whenever I see different platters every time, I really feel so sad, and I'll feel bad also. Like, see, when will I be ready with my fresh or new platters, because my husband is a very good cook. I'm just waiting for him to come. And definitely once he will be there, I will be definitely sharing with you all. But that's really, really good, ma'am. I'm really, that is there. And I really want to thank Fertility Dost for really giving us this type of help and encouragement, motivation all the time. I was in a very bad situations when I saw this Fertility Dost in the during that hard times, because I had already had a 2 failed IVF. I don't know. I was like really in a very confused state. What should I do now? Whether I should go for the 3rd one, and I have no one with whom I can share my problems actually, because my husband is in a defense sector and I'm here all alone. So there is no one like whom I can talk, I can share. So I really feel that I really got a real dost in my life at this point of time. And I'm really, really happy for this moment. I could see the changes in me, to be very honest, ma'am, the way I used to think. Now I am really, really a changed person. It's been a month. I am doing yoga regularly, morning, evening, and I'm just stick to my diet properly, because I want this time to share a positive result with you all.
Right.
And
right.
Yes, ma'am, and I'm just trying hard, and surely I may get a good result. Affirmations I'm trying to do, though there are some things that comes in my mind every time, but I'm trying to practice it regularly. Maybe I will get this also done at some time. So I really want to thank you all for this beautiful time and support that you are giving to us.
Thank you. Thank you. And एक बहुत genuine सा question, please अनीता गुस्सा मत होना. अनीता की डांट से किस किस को डर लगता है?
So far I feel like she's such a an idol person I can see, because the way she does yoga and the way she just perform yoga in front of us, that is really, really very motivating, ma'am. So I wish मुझे कभी डांट ना मिले उनसे. So I'm trying my best to do.
तो इसका मतलब डर लगता है.
Yes, ma'am.
सीरियसली जिसको भी डर लगता है वो एक बार अनम्यूट करके जरूर बोलेगा कि डर लगता है.
मुझे लगता है I would be scared of not getting up on time and being in the class. फिर being a founder थोड़ा सा मैं excuse मार लेती थी कि कल रात को बहुत लेट तक काम करा मैंने, इसीलिए आज नहीं उठ पाई. But Anita would figure out कि ये बहाना चल रहा है.
And you know what, interestingly, जब मैं लोगों को बोलती हूँ ट्यूसडे सैटरडे योगा सेशन है, तो आई वुड से कि जब तुम ट्यूसडे को सेशन में आओगे, अनीता को पता चल जाएगा तुमने कितनी प्रैक्टिस की है कितनी नहीं, तो वो खौफ पहले से बैठा हुआ है. नहीं,
Yeah,
but
that's exactly what we want also. Yes, even I am also a very lazy person and yoga मतलब एक मजबूरी जैसा ही करती हूँ मैं, लेकिन that's why we started this WhatsApp वाला आप लोग के सबके साथ, so that we can motivate each other. Because बहुत बार we are going through this up and down of emotions. किसी दिन तो we are feeling all happy, किसी दिन किसी ने कुछ बोल लिया, कुछ सुन लिया. Even मुझे तो seeing a movie जिसमें कोई बच्चा होगा तो वो देख के भी इतना sad लग जाता था कि फिर then the whole day I would be just on my bed and पता नहीं thinking what. So that's what we realized, that we need a community that अगर हम इस तरह से down feel कर रहे हैं तो at least कोई अच्छा खाने का देख के या योगा का देख के लगेगा कि चलो छोड़ो, बाकी सब तो कर रहे हैं तो हम भी करते हैं करके. So at least आपका mind momentarily वहां से divert हो जाता है. So that is very important कि आप एक base होता है, जैसे all of you are familiar of a fulcrum ना, वो pendulum. So pendulum का base एक जगह रहता है पर वो हिलते रहता है. अभी हमारे केस में क्या हो रहा है कि वो बहुत ज्यादा हिल रहा है, टक 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 चलता रहता है, कभी एकदम खुश हो रहा है, कभी सैड हो रहा है, कभी कुछ हो रहा है. तो हमारा ड्यूटी ये है कि बेबी होगा नहीं होगा, ये वाला आईवीएफ सक्सेसफुल होगा, अगला वाला होगा कि नेचुरली हो जाएगा, वो सब अभी दूर का बात है. द मेन थिंग इज दैट वी हैव टू कीप गेटिंग दैट फल्क्रम बैक. बार बार जितनी बार, जैसे वो बोलते हैं ना स्पाइडर का ट्राई 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 एंड यू विल सक्सीड, वो 7 बार चढ़ता है एंड देन ऑल्सो कीप्स फॉलिंग, 7th बार में वो होता है. तो हमें एज ऑफ नाउ यही करना है कि बस इतना ही करना है, बाकी एवरीथिंग विल फॉल इन द लाइन. All you have to do is just keep getting that back, your center को वापस बीच में लाना है, and then everything will fall. Yes, please continue. And Srijana, are you getting your IVF done from the army hospitals? You said your husband is in defense.
No, ma'am. I'm here. My husband is posted in Delhi. I'm in Siliguri, West Bengal. It is our permanent residential place only. I'm here only. I'm doing from here only.
Okay, acha. Then you should at least consider getting an opinion from RR hospitals. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Your husband is in army, you said, right?
Yes, ma'am. He's in army.
Then
but
please. So you what do? Let's do one thing. You connect with me separately. Okay. You should get one opinion from RR doctors. Sometimes they give very good opinion because my case was also successful in Delhi RNR, and because your husband is already posted in Delhi, he can take your papers and go there, meet the doctors and get an opinion or whatever. We can discuss this separately.
Sure, ma'am.
Sure.
Thank you.
Purnima, please continue.
Anita, गुस्सा मत होना यार, ये it's just because of positive feedback. And next, I would like to hear something from Soumya Jan. Soumya, how are you feeling with R? Like तुमको भी लगता है कि सुबह उठ के पहला WhatsApp अगर कुछ खोलना है तो that should be a premium member group. Is it so?
Yes, मैम, मुझे लगता है एक्चुअली मैं बहुत साइलेंट ऑब्जर्वर हूँ, बहुत साइलेंट लिसनर हूँ. मैं ज्यादा इंटरेक्ट नहीं करती, पर दूसरों का देख देख के बहुत खुश होती हूँ, क्योंकि एक्चुअली मेरे पास इतना टाइम नहीं होता, मेरा भागा भागा शेड्यूल रहता है. बट सबसे पहले मैं उठ के आपका व्हाट्सएप मैसेज चेक करती हूँ कि क्या है. और डिश भी मैं मैम इसीलिए शेयर नहीं करती क्योंकि मैं ये देखती हूँ कि सब बहुत भयंकर डिशेस डालते हैं. और जैसा श्रीजना ने बोला कि यहाँ शी इज नॉट वेरी फॉन्ड ऑफ मेकिंग न्यू डिशेस, इवन आई एम नॉट वेरी फॉन्ड ऑफ मेकिंग न्यू डिशेस, इसलिए मैं डालती नहीं हूँ. तो ये एक रीजन है, इसलिए मैं नहीं डालती हूँ. और यस, आप जब से आपके प्लेटफॉर्म से मैं जुड़ी हूँ, एक बहुत पॉजिटिव चेंज मुझ में आया है. इनफैक्ट मेरे हस्बैंड अभी 2 दिन पहले मुझसे बोल रहे थे कि अब तुम्हारी स्किन जो बिल्कुल डल हो गया था चेहरा तुम्हारा, तुम्हारे डार्क सर्कल्स हो गए थे, इट स्टार्टेड रिड्यूसिंग. अब तुम्हारे चेहरे पे ग्लो दिखने लगा पहले जैसा, शादी से पहले.
क्या
मैंने सोचा कि आई शुड शेयर, फिर मैं भूल गई और दिमाग से उतर गया. पर दूसरों को देख के मैं बहुत खुश होती हूँ, बहुत अच्छा लगता है मुझे. और आप लोग जो कर रहे हैं मैम, ये बहुत ही पॉजिटिव अप्रोच है। मतलब मैंने और लोगों को भी बोला कि मैंने ज्वाइन किया है तो तुम लोग भी करो, तो वो बोले कि इन सब चीजों से कुछ नहीं होता, वो तो उनकी अपनी थिंकिंग है। बट जो मैंने महसूस किया कि यस, इट इज अ वेरी गुड प्लेटफॉर्म, और मैं बहुत खुश हूँ आप लोगों से जुड़ के। और थैंक यू सो मच जो आप लोग कर रहे हैं, वो हमारे लिए एक ब्लेसिंग है। मतलब आप हमारे लिए एक भगवान की तरह है कि हमें एक
अरे
न्यू होप दिखने लगी है। नहीं सच में मैम, हमें मुझे एक न्यू होप दिखने लगी है। और पता नहीं ऐसा लगने लगा है कि यार एक फेल आईवीएफ हो गया, कोई बात नहीं, एएमएच कम है, कोई बात नहीं, एंडोमेट्रियोसिस था, कोई बात नहीं, लेकिन शायद अब ऐसा लगता है कि शायद नेचुरली कंसीव कर जाऊंगी। ऐसा अंदर से फीलिंग आती है, पता नहीं, गॉड नोस।
yes. नहीं नहीं, बिल्कुल होगा। बेसिकली सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज है हमारी सोच। जब तक हम पॉजिटिव हैं तब तक सब बढ़िया है। एंड ये खाने वाने को तो यार मुझसे भी नहीं होता, सीरियसली भागम भाग में बनता है सब कुछ। एक तरफ बेटी की ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में उनको उसको ब्रेकफास्ट देना, एक तरफ हस्बैंड को, तो मुझे लगता है चल छोड़ यार, जो बन गया ठीक है। तो मैं भी वैसी हूँ।
क्योंकि
नेक्स्ट।
एक्चुअली मैम बहुत स्ट्रेस पड़ जाता है, क्योंकि फैमिली अलग खाती है, फैमिली बिल्कुल लाला टाइप से, उनको चाहिए आलू के पराठे और सुबह सुबह पराठे वाला नाश्ता। मेरा अलग बनता है, उनका अलग बनता है, तो बड़ा टेंशन हो जाता है उस माहौल में, तो इसलिए नहीं बन पाता।
नेक्स्ट शिवानी, थैंक यू सौम्या, थैंक यू सो मच। ये एक जेन्युइन फीडबैक था, लाइक
थैंक यू
फ्रॉम
सो मच।
हार्ट, योर ट्रू हार्ट, थैंक यू। एंड नेक्स्ट इज फॉर शिवानी, सिंस हम सब लोग इस मदरहुड की जर्नी में हैं, एंड शिवानी इज अ मदर ऑफ डॉटर, तो हाउ यू आर फीलिंग, like are you feeling connected with this group Shivani, because since तुम्हारा एकदम different journey है.
Right, I have a very different journey, but definitely if I see some people who are really open from heart and they don't wear a mask, like, oh no, I am very professional and all, so it feels like connected, mainly with Purnima, because I have interacted with Purnima most of the time and she is always there, always, and I really appreciate this, because what she has done nobody else can have done for me.
अरे बाबा रे, thank you, thank you.
Seriously, it's not just like words, it's my real feelings, because what I have gone through, what I have seen, maybe I have been synced, but no, I just came out from all those things, and it was Purnima who was always holding my hand. Even being far away, she is always there for me, and she is still there for me.
Yes,
I feel
always.
like a really true friend kind of feeling.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, और मैं आ रही हूँ तुम्हारे पास, ये सब ठीक ठीक होने दो जरा, फिर
Sure,
मिलते
I'm
हैं।
waiting. I'm waiting for you. You're
पक्का।
most
और
welcome.
ये आ गई हमारी दुबई वाली समीक्षा। हाय समीक्षा, हाउ आर यू?
हेलो, मैं ठीक हूँ।
ये
कैसे सब?
बढ़िया। ये हमसे मिलने दुबई से आ जाती है, तो वापस आके कैसे लग रहा है? इंडिया वाली फीलिंग, घर वाली फीलिंग आ रही है?
ऐसा लग रहा है मैं वापस ही नहीं गई थी।
That's good. That means always feel connected with us, right?
हाँ, राइट, बिल्कुल, सच्ची में। बट मेरा तो आई थिंक आई एम लकी इनफ कि मैंने वो एक फेसबुक पे एक सेमिनार अटेंड किया और फर्टिलिटी दोस्त से कनेक्ट हुई, तुरंत मुझे आपका पूर्णिमा का फोन आ गया, एंड मतलब वो ऐसा लग रहा था जैसे इट वाज ऑल कनेक्टेड, कि ये होना ही था।
Right.
बट वेरी नाइस, अब अच्छा लग रहा है। आज एक्चुअली वी केम फ्रॉम द डॉक्टर होली, तो आके इतना टायर्ड हो गए कि वो टाइम का पता ही, सो गए हम लोग। तो फिर वो अभी उठे तो मैंने कहा लेट हो गया।
हम वेट कर रहे थे कब हमें वो स्माइलिंग फेस दिखेगा।
नहीं। तो सब सही चल रहा है, एक्साइटेड भी हूँ अभी तक तो। बाकी मेन तो बाद में पता चलता है, आफ्टर ऑल दिस ईटी एंड ऑल, वो 14-day पीरियड वो निकालना बहुत मुश्किल है।
नहीं, उसमें हम सब साथ हैं, यू डोंट वरी। कभी भी टाइम, वी आर ऑलवेज हियर, एंड हम लोग हैं तुम्हारी हेल्प के लिए, तुम्हें चीयर अप करने के लिए। So don't worry for that.
Yeah, thank you so much to फर्टिलिटी दोस्त। मतलब मैं इतना ओपन अप हुई, नहीं तो जब लास्ट टाइम मैंने नवंबर में दुबई से कराया था तो आई वांटेड टू टॉक टू समवन, बट कोई था नहीं कि जिससे मैं बात कर सकूं. मतलब रिलेटिव्स तो दे ऑल जस्ट मेक बातें बनाते हैं, कुछ करना ऐसे कुछ हेल्प नहीं कर सकते. मतलब दे कांट सपोर्ट यू अनलेस, क्योंकि वो इस सब फेज से नहीं निकले हुए हैं, तो इसलिए. तो बट यहाँ पे किसी से भी डिस्कस करती हो तो ऐसा लगता है कि हम लोग सब सेम जर्नी कर रहे हैं, तो सब लोग एक दूसरे को समझते हैं, तो इसलिए सबकी विशेस है एक दूसरे के साथ, तो अच्छा फील होता है. तो
नहीं, हम लोग हैं साथ में एंड चलो तुम आगे आगे, हम पीछे हैं, मुड़ने नहीं देंगे, तुमको आगे धक्का देते रहेंगे.
हाँ, मैं बोलती भी हूँ बहुत जल्दी तुम्हारे साथ सोफे पे बैठ के होप स्टोरी बनाऊंगी एक. मैं अकेले नहीं शूट करने दूंगी अपनी होप स्टोरी, मैं साथ में होंगी.
बिल्कुल सीरियसली मैं वेट कर रही हूँ, और मैंने तुम्हें बोला था कि वो अकेले नहीं होगा, गोदी में तुम्हारे कुछ होगा तब हम
हाँ ऑफ कोर्स, वही तो मैं कह रही हूँ.
चाय तुम बनाओगी उस होप स्टोरी की एपिसोड में, चाय वाला मग तुम्हारी तरफ से होगा पर.
ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं.
थैंक यू समीक्षा, थैंक यू
so much.
एंड नाउ वी हैव मोमिता विद अस. मोमिता को हमें ज्वाइन करने से पहले बहुत सारे एप्रीहेंशंस थे. आई होप अब सब कुछ वो ठीक हो गया होगा.
Yeah, and really, I mean, like 90% of the credit goes to you because I know I kept on asking so many things to Purnima, and she was very cordial and patient, and she kept on listening all the stuffs because it's right. Like when I मतलब मेरा जैसे कि एक सोमा का जो पहले सेशन था ना, वो मुझ में बहुत से पहले से ही था. मतलब रिग्रेट why haven't I started my family planning earlier, जब कुछ सब कुछ ठीक ठाक था. And that actually हम कोई भी whenever I any test मैं जाती हूँ तो वो मुझ में हमेशा रहती थी. Now like coming in this platform where I can see that yeah there are people who are like biologically मेरे से age में कम भी है ज्यादा भी है, but it's like we are all sailing through the same boat, and it's really like because I mean all my friends of my age, they have actually done this planning a bit earlier. So I have few one of friends with whom I can share, but that is not in this kind of thing. वो जैसे कि हम लोग friends से जिस तरह से share करते हैं, यहाँ पे जैसे कि I must tell I'm also the person like Khyati who is doing the yoga for the first time, because to be very frank actually I am a like मैं डांस तो करती हूँ, लेकिन ये सब योगा और ये सब एक्सरसाइज में ना मैं बहुत लेथर्जी वाला आदमी हूँ. I'm a very lazy person in that. So मैं कभी कभी like on the morning like whenever I feel कि I would have a do in the YouTube, but to be in the like I really love this Anita's live session. It's like well we are all doing it and she does it so gracefully, you know. I really like it. And that today only I was telling Anita, I एक feel good factor होती है because एक एक जैसे योगा होता है, आसन होता है, that is really very tough. We sweat a lot, but after that ना we feel fresh because उसमें हमको लगता है after doing the yoga for 1 hour we have our energy level ज़्यादा लगता है. Like I have heard of it, the persons who have
अनीता का जादू, तो इसलिए
yeah. And yeah, because I told Anita the one of I mean few of my friends those are doing gym, and I told you na I'm a bit lazy kind of person. मेरे लिए हमेशा सुबह उठकर, and I told Purnima also कि मेरे को 7 बजे उठना नहीं आता है, तो इसलिए मैं 4 बजे वाला योगा सेशन ही करूंगा because मेरा ऑफिस आवर्स भी बाद में चालू होता है. Like I do 12 to 9 shifts and sometimes 11. But एक ये तो अनीता का पार्ट है जिसमें आई एम ट्राइंग टू फॉलो. बाकी जो है प्रीति का, तो अनीता वाला चीज ना मुझे डर नहीं लगता है, मुझे तो डर लगता है प्रीति से बिकॉज मैं बीइंग अ बॉन्ग गर्ल एंड आई एम अ फूडी काइंड ऑफ पर्सन, एंड व्हेन आई रियली सी ना कि दे सो हेल्दी प्लेटर, आप देखोगे पूर्णिमा आई नेवर शेयर माय प्लेटर, क्योंकि मैं ना हर रोज सुबह वो रोटी और सब्जी कभी कभी खाती हूँ बिकॉज आई एम ट्राइंग टू पुट, बिकॉज हम लोग का बंगाली घर में क्या होता है ना, we don't have so much varieties because we eat non-veg actually. So इसलिए I was telling Preeti, मेरे को बोल रहे थे you can do the non-veg stuff also, but she has told me to जैसे हम लोग को alkaline बनाना है, ज़्यादा acidic नहीं, so we will keep trying more of vegetables and less of this thing. So that is a very मैं बहुत सारा कुछ चीज सीख रही हूँ, and like yes true, it's like हम लोग ये सारा दिन जैसे WhatsApp में बातें करते हैं ना, but last like 10 days it was very hectic क्योंकि मेरा अपना ऑफिस का काम, I was really very busy, हम लोग का quarter closing चलता है and I'm in finance, so I really didn't, but I make sure at the end of the day I read all the chats and I feel good. So लोग मतलब जैसे कि yeah, so it's a very good engagement from our तरफ, and I'm अभी तो मुझे वो I'm really feeling good because I had an apprehension कि क्या होगा, because everything is doing virtually, and I asked you right because we will be doing it virtually. हमको लगता है योगा अगर सामने से करूंगी, हाँ वो तो रहता ही है, बिकॉज आप लोगों का अगर सेंटर होता तो डेफिनेटली मैं वहां जाकर ही करती, अब है तो नहीं, आई एम बेस्ड इन कैलकाटा, तो वहां पर कुछ है नहीं, and in this lockdown actually we do everything virtually, that is also a very good connection.
Right, so finally we are having positive feedback from Momita, जिनको की सबसे ज्यादा apprehension था. Thank you Momita, thank you.
Yeah.
मुझे
I
कुछ कहना
have
है.
a हाँ बोलिए, कौन बोल रहा है?
Sorry मैंने इंटरप्ट किया.
समीक्षा प्लीज गो ऑन.
हाँ मैं तो, मुझे एक्सरसाइज सिर्फ वनीता ही करा सकती है डेफिनेटली, ये तो बात पक्की है.
हाँ वो भी है, बिकॉज हमको भी लगता है जैसे हम नहीं करके आएंगे ना, फिर अनीता बोलेगी मोमिता आई कैन सी यू, कैटी आई कैन सी यू, इसका मतलब तुम लोग ने किया नहीं.
30 साल हो गए
कैमरा,
30 साल हो गए, मैंने इतनी डेडिकेशन से कभी कोई एक्सरसाइज नहीं की है, और योगा तो स्पेशली इट्स नॉट माय कप ऑफ टी. मतलब मेरा तो हाथ मेरे नीज तक ही पहुंच जाए ना, वही बहुत है.
हाँ वो मेरा भी है.
So
I wanted so hard with us.
Yeah, so योगा से ही होगा, किसने एक कैप्शन डाला था ना किसी दिन, अनीता ने तो बोला था,
डॉक्टर प्रीति का कैप्शन.
हाँ प्रीति के वेबिनार में था कि योगा से ही होगा, तो करते रहते हैं. टू मोमिता आई वांटेड टू से कि मोमिता यू कैन डू फिश माछेर झोल with a lot of vegetables, okay, and
yeah,
use,
I do, but that is in the winter time, you know. Like
no
दूसरे time में तो it's like only brinjal and like being you are a Bengali girl, but I think you are based in Delhi, in Gurgaon, I think so. So but यहाँ पर तो Calcutta में you know ना how food style कैसे है, because अम्मी जाके बोले भेतो बंगाली, and I told Preeti I actually have rice in both the meals, मेरे को चपाती से नहीं होगा, मुझे लगता है कि I will crave for rice.
I know. That's why whenever I could follow a nutritionist, I would. मेरा मतलब दिमाग ही नहीं चलता अगर मैं रोटी खा लूंगी, so I have to have rice. But yeah, try to add lot of vegetables if you can, and use a smaller variety of fish. उसका digestion and proteins are better. Not the rohu and the bigger hilsa and all that. Try to use the smaller varieties, bata and bacha and kangaroo. So that compensates. So and with
and Gitanjali,
I used to do that.
To be very frank, because I have actual endometriosis and might be endometriosis also. So it's like you know why this I regret, because like until I was 34, मुझमें कुछ भी नहीं था, and I know like endometriosis is a certain kind of thing that मेरा गानी भी बोलता है, like बहुत सारा लोग they conceive actually having the cyst, and I'm taking actually homeopathic medicine, but इसलिए Purnima told me you can go and you can have an USG done थोड़ा देर बाद, and then you want to do Ayurveda research, that's fine, but I will not tell you to do the Ayurveda right now. But you know what are the like it's मेरे को लगता है कि endometriosis में I am not, but I'm really Shad, I don't know whether I am in the only group who doesn't want to go for IVF, to be very frank, because like मुझ में भी बहुत वो apprehensiveness वो है, और मैं सिर्फ जब पूर्णिमा से बात किया ना,
absolutely fine. Nobody wants to go for IVF. Let me tell you this. Nobody wants to go for IVF. IVF is not a choice.
Exactly.
It
basically,
is, it is where you kind of figure out कि कुछ systemic issues ऐसे हैं which cannot be corrected, and you are losing out on the time, because हमारा you know the fertility issue is such that it is time bound. सो अगर वो आपका दीज टू आर द फैक्टर्स की टाइम है और आपका इशू कितना कॉम्प्लिकेटेड हो गया है, देन यू हैव टू टेक अ कॉल रादर देन वेस्टिंग द टाइम, बिकॉज वो एक
Wasting the
टाइम
time.
का बाउंडेज है, वो निकल गया तो फिर और भी ज्यादा मुश्किल होगा. सो nobody wants to go for IVF, definitely nobody. I know I meet about 100 people a day and आज तक मुझे किसी ने खुशी खुशी नहीं बोला कि मुझे IVF कराना है.
Right.
So don't
Maybe
worry
only
about that.
because my tubes are open. Maybe that's why I
True.
just want to go for. But I know like this endometriosis is a great hurdle. I'm not very sure.
Endometriosis, it is complex to manage. So yeah, thank
But
you
I
so
don't know
much.
the stage of endometriosis because I have cyst maybe, and that is the cyst also growth वो भी कम हो गया है as per एक USG किया है. But I will do another one after the pujas, might be see, because Kolkata में actually count is like I mean increasing like anything, so I'm really scared क्योंकि मुझे एक USG कराने में ये सब नहीं हो जाना चाहिए. So that's why I was waiting a bit. But I hope कि through diet and exercise, क्योंकि मेरा गायनी भी हमेशा बोलते हैं कि diet करो, exercise करो, वो तो लिख देता था prescription में, but I never follow it diligently. Now through this FCP I have started doing it and I'm feeling good, so I will try to continue it, and definitely I hope that I will get whatever I'm craving for long actually.
Perfect. You will be able to. Purnima,
Thanks.
over to you now.
Thank you, Momita. Thank you so much. And we have
Thanks.
Maba with us. So Maba, would you please like to share your comments, your feedback with us? Hello. Maba, are you there?
Yes, I'm here, ma'am.
Hi. So can
Thank
we
you
have
very much.
your feedback? Yeah, sure. Please
I'm
continue.
really grateful to be part of this family away from home. I first saw this on Facebook. I joined many fertility groups on Facebook, but I just, for one reason, loved this one. And I liked the fact that it talked about yoga, meditation, acupuncture. Hello?
Please continue. Yes, please continue.
Okay. So I read about each of them, but I've never seen them where it is being done holistically. So that is one reason I loved about this group, and the hospitality I got from my family away from home. It was just out of this world. So it also helped me a lot, especially during this time. I'm also a student. I'm writing on the 24th of October. All this process, the yoga, the meditation, castor oil, they help me so much to cope with my everyday work. The much work I have, I'm able to cope with. And thank you so much for the way you conduct everything, the way Andrew is always with me. I thank you very much. I'm really grateful to be part of this group.
Thank you, Mava. Thank you for believing in us rather than we should say this. Thank you so much. Because we are from different culture, different geographical parts, but still you believe in us. That is what we are grateful to you. Thank you.
Thank you.
So next, could we have a few lines from Pooja? Hi, Pooja. How are you? Hello, Pooja? Okay, I think Pooja is there.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, Pooja. Hi. So, how are you feeling, Pooja?
बेटर अच्छा लग रहा है
डाइट वाइट अच्छे से फॉलो हो रहा है नहीं हो रहा है
यार मैम मेरी डाइट तो मैम सूप ही चल रही है वही कैसी डिटॉक्सिफिकेशन चल रहा है
वेरी गुड तो तुम वो सब कर रहे हो ना अच्छे से
हाँ मैम प्रॉपर फॉलो कर रही हूँ
दैट्स गुड देख लो तुम सबके सामने बोल रही हो फॉलो करना पड़ेगा अब तुम्हें
हाँ मैम मैं बहुत अच्छे से कर रही हूँ मॉर्निंग में एक्चुअली मेरा ब्रेकफास्ट मैम ने स्किप करने के लिए बोला था बट वो हो नहीं पा रहा था तो मैं बॉइल्ड वेजिटेबल मैम ने बोला था उसके लिए ऑप्शन में तो मैं वही कर लेती हूँ मतलब बॉइल्ड वेजिटेबल मॉर्निंग में सूप ले लेती हूँ एंड इवनिंग में भी सूप ले लेती हूँ एंड लंच लेती हूँ बस वो चपाती के साथ
वेरी गुड And now we have Aparna, our nightingale, with us.
Thank you so much. That's so kind of you, Purnima ji.
नहीं, तुमको हमने एक लाइक टैगलाइन दी कि अपर्णा, तो एवरीबॉडी सेड हु, हमने बोला वो ये जो गाना गाती है.
Thank you so much.
And one day seriously we'll having a singing night with you. ठीक है,
Sure,
कौन?
sure. I'll be very happy to oblige.
So, like you, I know that still you have not started with anything, but yes, we welcome you in our forum.
Thank you
And
so much.
now you have so many friends, we can say that virtual friends. And
Absolutely.
never ever hesitate to post anything. अच्छी खाने की फोटो भी डाल सकती हो, योगा पोस्टर भी डाल सकती हो.
I will for sure. I mean, I've been into a little bit of yoga and diet as well since a while now. I told you, right, I've lost about 20 kilos. So I'm into healthy eating, but not so much during lockdown. So hopefully I'll be back in track with the program. Yeah. It's very nice to see a lot of people with similar stories and journeys, as they say, right? We all when we face some difficulties, we take refuge in the fact that many are with us in a similar situation. That kind of gives us strength. So yeah, thanks for the platform.
Thank you, Aparna. Thank you so much. And I think सबका हो गया. अगर कोई रह गया तो please let me know. I don't know.
Purnima ji, you promise you won't forget me. I'm
मैं अभी आ ही रही थी. I'm so sorry. I was just scrolling my screen and checking. So please, over to you.
I mean, I'm not sure if you have a specific question for me, but I would say that हर चीज का एक time होता है, and I think all of us who are here, we are meant to be here. There is a reason we are here. There is a reason we reached out to all of you. There is a reason any of your article, any of your advertisement came in front of us. That was the time. Otherwise, for me, I've been trying from 2017. I've had 3 IVFs. So why didn't I see you earlier? Because now was the time. So, and talking to Purnima ji, besides the article, just talking to her, I felt they मेरे को चाहिए. I want this lady with me. I have not had the opportunity to speak with Gitanjali ma'am yet, but both Shelly ji and Purnima ji are somebody I am looking up to these days. Like Shelly will continuously check on me for reasons which are apart from gynec problems. I'm not sure if you know, but I'm struggling with some a chronic allergy, and I've developed blood pressure issues, and she's checking on me on those things. So I just feel there's someone. And at the same time, in terms of the holistic approach, which is absolutely true, and if I could use the term, I was also a yoga virgin, but we are doing it. कैसे भी कर रहे हैं, we are doing it. And like you, Gitanjali ma'am, Shaili ji and the other coach, you guys are probably the mothers. Anita ji is the father. पापा से डर लगता है, पापा से लगता है डर.
ये रिकॉर्ड किया जाए, ये टैगलाइन होनी चाहिए.
रिकॉर्डिंग हो रही है, मैंने पढ़ लिया है, मैं कोर्ट पे हूँ कि अनीता जी इज द डैड. मतलब वो पता है ना, जब टाइट करना होता है देन यू नीड द फादर. मम्मी के साथ तो हल्के में चलेगा, आज नहीं खाया, डाइट फॉलो नहीं करी. एंड इवन प्रीति इज आल्सो, आई वुड से शी इज नॉट लीनिएंट, बट शी इज लाइक ओके, I know this was not your diet. Okay, she won't tell you. So like I think all of us are in that journey, and all of us have found you guys. So I feel that yes, there is a social stigma related to infertility, and nobody understands it is not my choice. I obviously don't. मैं IVF सेंटर क्रॉस करती थी तो मैं मुंह इधर फेर लेती थी, भाई इधर मत देखो, उधर ही जा रही हूँ मैं. So you can't avoid it. But having someone like you guys who have been through this, who have got some kind of technology and spirituality to it, is something absolutely needed for people like us to bring us on track. Because honestly, forget about our parents. I don't know how many of you will say it, but I don't think our partners also understand as much. Injection हमें ही लगता है, ठीक है? So and sometimes I used to feel it's it's nonsense or it's insensible to even speak to him about it, because really nobody's understanding. So you know, and then obviously your parents are feeling bad about you, your mother is, you know, feeling all your pain, but no, not exactly that pain. You've had, I'm a honeymoon baby, you don't know. You know, I have, my family has a history of honeymoon babies. I am a 8th month baby, matlab main premature delivery hu, and I was a honeymoon baby. And my brother was born after 2 miscarriages, so she knows a little, but nobody knows IVF in my family. And besides what's going on, I have my future planned. Mujhe, I don't know what job I'm doing in the future, but I'm definitely becoming a coach with you guys. I want to help people. Gitanjali ji, I'm sending you my I think by this is my interview happening.
Most welcome,
I
most welcome.
have to, even if I do it without my, with my job, without my job, with my baby, without my baby, whichever way, help तो मैंने करनी है. I have to join this platform from your side at some point in time. I think somebody is not on mute. Deepina is not on mute.
Everyone please put it on mute, नहीं तो हमें भी न्यूज़ सुनने को मिल जाएगा पूरा.
हाँ, ये बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है, म्यूट करिए. And you know, I think including all of us mostly are from India. Samiksha is here now. Samiksha and I are neighbors. Matlab, so you know, it's just somebody is joining the dots. There were dots, okay, and we didn't join that. So the God is joining the dots. So Samiksha is here. I've been talking to Khyati. So, and you know, like Anita, she has like 10, 20 people on the video with her, but she would specifically ask you questions about yourself, and it's phenomenal that she remembers what problem I have, what problem Khyati has, or what problem XYZ has. So it is, you know, it's जब कुछ पहली बार होता है ना, you can't explain. So tomorrow, maybe 5 years down the line, I'll have words for this feeling that I have, that, you know, earlier I was, I think, only cribbing about my job or how demanding it was, and maybe that has caused me diabetes, that has caused me infertility. But I think this is all planned, this is all destiny, I can't change it. So we don't know how long it will go for and how soon this will end, but now at least we know we have a journey and we have a companion, and in form of seniors in true sense, because you guys have been through it. So I would say all of us have friends, all of us have sisters, all of us have cousins, all of us have friends. But only the person who has gone through it will understand. And it's a fact. All of us will feel confident. Nahi, nahi, I have friends. I have no. I'm sorry. I'm not even able to share with my best of friends that I'm going for IVF. I have had failed IVFs. The best IVF centers are failing with me, and I'm like, okay. And you know, I came across Purnima ji just after my second IVF had failed, and she heard me for 2 hours on the phone. I said, 2 घंटे तो मेरा पति भी नहीं सुनेगा मेरी चर्चा. What is this? So, and you know, I felt, okay, this is where I have to be. There is a reason it has come. Whatever has gone out, it has gone in the past. What goes from here is something which I will take, you know, with guidance from all of you, and not just the coaches, or not just the founders, but also, you know, the experienced people here. You know, somebody is trying for natural, somebody is trying for IUI. The questions that, sometimes the questions that comes up, it makes me feel that, okay, I am going for IVF, I have got 3 IVFs and I don't know about these terms. So that was brought in by the group. And if since I've landed on the WhatsApp group, you know, I would say that in the morning I don't look particularly for the affirmations or for the food pictures or for you know, compliments, but I feel this is a group which is helping me. This is the group of my choice. So if there is an option of pinning the conversation on top, I will do that, because this reminds me that I am not alone. I have people who are with me. I am talking it out with everybody, and you know, it's just the greatest thing that can happen when we are having an infertility journey. So thank you so much for starting this in India. I was wishing I was in US or Canada, where this is, you know, very you know, very well handled. And I suddenly found out about you guys. So I think it was God answering my question, which I had put up.
Thank you so much. Actually, you absolutely rightly said these were 2-3 things with which we started the whole concept of Fertility Dost. One, that me and Purnima have been through it, and we knew what are the gaps which we had faced, and we didn't want anybody else for that matter to face that, because journey to rahega, complexity of the medical part will remain what it is, but at least we can support in understanding and filling the gaps and taking care of the emotional well-being. And secondly, in fact, you are not alone is our tagline. We always say that you are not alone, and that's the whole reason of starting this very close knit safe space where you can talk it out, like you said. And the third thing is, like you said, that you just spoke to Purnima for 2 hours, and that's what we want. We know that maybe in a lot of situations we won't be able to help, because we are not, हमारे पास lot of people come and say कि आप क्या कर लोगे, you are not an IVF center. We say exactly, हम IVF नहीं कर सकते हैं. We know our limitations, but we know what value add we can do. And you know, all of you who are going through IVF or have had bad luck with it know that IVF ka nationally, as per statistics, is 35% success. That means 65% are failing. And that's a huge number which no IVF center will ever project. You go to any top IVF center, top, bottom, lowest, they will always, I don't know how, say कि 80%, 90% हमारा, कोई कोई तो 100% तक बोल देते हैं. Okay, which is absolutely a marketing gimmickry. So what we are essentially trying to do is create this ecosystem where you get aware of your, information is very important. You should, like you were saying, we want is that you take charge of what is happening. And I know it from my personal experience. Till I had about my first IVF failed, I was just giving in कि डॉक्टर जो आप बोलो वो करते हैं, पंडित जी जो आप बोलो वो करते हैं, जो बोलो वो करते हैं. I wasn't using my brain or heart to it. Then post that I figured out that I have to take my charge. Right, wrong, मेरे decision से उनका ownership भी मेरा है. Successful होगा तो मेरी, failure होगा तो भी मेरी. And failure भी I will take it with dignity. ये नहीं कि फेलियर हुआ आपको, सैडनेस इज एसेंशियल. दुख होना नॉर्मल है, होना चाहिए, रोना चाहिए, बहुत रोना चाहिए, बट यू कैन नॉट लेट इट रिपल इफेक्ट इनटू योर नेक्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ जर्नी. या फिर you can shout on your husband and all that, but you can't let him go. समझ रहा, वो वाला डिफरेंस है. वो लाइन आपको वहां पे रोकनी पड़ेगी. एंड वो लाइन रोकना अपने आप नहीं होता, बिकॉज मैंने खुद को देखा कि मैं बिल्कुल बहती चली गई. ये मतलब इट्स लाइक अ डाउन साइड ऑफ द माउंटेन. वो नीचे गिरते 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 ही चले जा रहे हैं. सो वी वांट कि हम कहीं ना कहीं आपको पकड़ ले और थोड़ा सा आपको हेल्प कर दें कि भाई वापस से आप चलो ऊपर. So thank you so much. I was
just one thing I would like to mention here, that it was also very opportune time for me to come across you guys, because I was put on a break. They were failing with me, so they said, Mansi, just go and take a break, okay? And I was like, okay, what am I supposed to do in the break? No, just don't do anything, just take your diabetes medicine, nothing from gynae side. I said, then if I come back unprepared, you will fail again with me and you will just say sorry. What does that mean? So and by the way, as per them, I am taking a chill pill, but I'm not, and I'm going to go even more prepared this time. From Dr. Pai to the session, to the last 2 sessions, I have so many questions for my ongoing package. They know मैं Google चाट के आई हूँ एकदम.
नहीं, this time you say कि मैंने Google नहीं चाटा है, मैंने फर्टिलिटी दोस्त पे डॉक्टर पाई को ये बोलते हुए सुना है. तो what are your opinions on it? Give them much more.
Yeah, exactly. In fact, I had the luxury of a free consultation with his team, and they told me a new thing, that there is a way to transfer your eggs and embryos with us if you want. So I have option B.
Great and awesome. And for those who don't know, Purnima also sits in consultations. She has sat in 2-3 consultations IVF doctors के साथ वो गई है. There's one person with us. She is now in her 2nd trimester. उनका पहले 4 IVFs fail हुए थे. Fibroid and endometriosis case, husband का भी issue था. And then when she was going for her 4th IVF, she said, this is my last IVF, I don't have the energy for it. And then Purnima went with her to the IVF clinic, and doctor was again trying to suggest her something which was not perfect for her. And जब पूर्णिमा ने उनको questions पूछा कि why do you think this will work, and typically hard hitting questions पूछे, the doctor took a back seat and doctor said, okay, if you insist, then we will go on for the other methodology of IVF, because IVF has so many options which they don't usually tell to a normal person like you who would just walk in. So when Purnima asked this hard hitting question, तो वो डॉक्टर ने पूरी मेथोडोलॉजी चेंज करी एंड वही आईवीएफ उसका सक्सेसफुल हुआ. एंड शी इज लाइक ओवर द टॉप की अगर मैं पूर्णिमा को नहीं ले जाती, एंड आवर कंट्रीब्यूशन वाज नथिंग बिकॉज शी डिडंट टेक हर एफसीपी प्रोग्राम, शी डिडंट रिक्वायर नथिंग. शी जस्ट एक बार पूर्णिमा के साथ वो गई, पूर्णिमा गई उसके साथ एक्चुअली फॉर द कंसल्टेशन विद द डॉक्टर, एंड इट चेंज्ड एवरीथिंग फॉर हर. And yeah, so if you guys need that kind of support, do let us know. We're always there. We can always arrange for a second opinion if you think their existing doctor is missing out on something. Because from my personal journey, मैंने खुद देखा है कि because doctors, see, you have to understand, doctors are dealing in a lot of cases every day. And वो लोग क्या करते हैं, जेनेरिक बंच बनाते हैं कि अगर टाइप ए है तो इसको ये सजेस्ट करेंगे, टाइप बी है तो वो सजेस्ट करेंगे, टाइप सी है तो ये सजेस्ट करेंगे. What they don't figure out is कि as very personal, fertility is a very personalized game, और इसीलिए 35% ही successful हो रहा है. As fertility those, we are trying to also work at a policy level where we bring more regulations and try to change this kind of attitude of doctors, जहाँ वो सोचते हैं कि ये लोग तो desperate couple है, जमीन जायदाद बेच के कुछ भी पैसा खर्च करके करवाएंगे. There are a lot of clinics who would say कि आप 3 का पैकेज बंडल ले लो. And I would ask them from fertility those कि अगर 3 ले लिया तो फर्स्ट में सक्सेसफुल हो गया तो बाकी 2 के पैसे का क्या होगा? And they would be like, नहीं वो तो चांस आपको लेना पड़ेगा. What my logic says that means they will not even try to make me successful in one. Then मेरा body है ना, body तो मेरा ही है ना. पैसे का बात भी छोड़ देंगे तो भी बॉडी मेरी है जहाँ पे इंजेक्शंस लग रहे हैं. मेरा मेंटल जो ड्रिप होता है, जो मेरे को लोग पूछते हैं कि क्या हुआ, इस बार भी नहीं सक्सेसफुल हुआ, यू आर नॉट गोना आंसर दोस. So these are the things, if you come across these things, or if any of your known people are going through these confusions of IVF, you can ask them to consult us. We can always provide a fair consultation to them. And thank you so much. मैं शुरू से पूछना चाह रही थी कि MJ का full form क्या है? Michael Jackson. So you are actually a Michael Jackson the way you have
Yeah. While I was talking, I was doing the walk. वो आपको दिखना नहीं.
The moonwalk.
Yeah.
Good, great. Purnima, now I would leave it to you to conclude.
आई थिंक कोई रह नहीं गया. मानसी को मैंने लास्ट के लिए जान के छोड़ा था, मुझे पता था ये कुछ धांसू देने वाली है.
Good choice.
So the Dhansu was totally impromptu and from the heart.
I would want the father of the family to speak. भाई father of the family बहुत देर से घूम रही है इधर उधर.
Hello, Daddy.
Okay, so I heard all the feedback girls. Thank you so much. I'm so proud of you girls. You're putting so much effort.
The volume is not there clearly. Anita.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is it audible now? Hello.
बोलो.
Okay, the thing is, I just want to, we cannot be with you throughout. I mean, we can be there, but then not to hold your hands throughout the journey of life. So I am, what my role is, I'm just motivating you girls so that this motivation turns out into a dedication one day. So once you're dedicated, you're not going to leave anything you want in your life. So that is what I'm trying to do. So, and I'm sure you are with us, and this is the best platform. I have learned so much. Every day is a learning for me. When I get every new...
Your volume is...
ये डांट के थक गई है सेशन में सबको.
Okay, just hold on.
बैठ जाओ अनीता थोड़ी देर.
Okay, is that okay now?
बिल्कुल.
Okay, अभी ठीक है?
बिल्कुल ठीक है. शिवानी कह रही है तुम चक दे इंडिया की वो शाहरुख खान.
Okay, वही है यार. I mean,
I'm just trying to get you girls into that consistency mode. That's all. That's when the motivation turns into dedication. So once you're dedicated, you can get whatever you want in your life. That's it.
And we want baking classes also from Anita.
Pakka, pakka, pakka. Karenge. I love baking. Pakka karenge. Whenever I'm coming to meet you girls, meet you and your babies, I'm going to get the personalized cake for you guys, definitely, and it's on me.
Wow,
That's for
सब
sure.
अबे हमारा क्या होगा?
तो दूसरा कर लो.
Anita, I am visiting your place, Hyderabad. I loved your garden a lot.
Oh, anytime, come over.
You have got an exotic garden to do a yoga. I'm seriously missing such scenarios in Mumbai.
Come over. Anytime मैं अपने garden में भी yoga कराऊंगी, and you can't skip from that, okay?
No. We actually wanted to come and visit that place now.
Sure. Anytime, girls, anytime.
I think सबका रिव्यूज हो गए, तो अगर कोई रह गया तो प्लीज बता दो. एंड एनीथिंग एल्स जो आप लोगों को लगता है हम मिस कर रहे हैं, दैट इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग ऑल्सो. पॉजिटिव फीडबैक, सीरियसली वी लव देम, बट कुछ ऐसा वैसा होगा तो वो भी चलेगा. तो एनी न्यू थिंग और एनीथिंग जो आपको लगता है कहीं छूट गई हमसे, तो यू कैन प्लीज शेयर विद अस. व्हाट्सएप पे मैसेज कर देना. आई थिंक टाइम बहुत हो गया, इतनी लंबी मीटिंग हमने प्लान नहीं की थी, बट यस बहुत मजे आए सबसे बात करके. और जिसका रह गया वो प्लीज, आई एम सो सॉरी, और मे बी कुछ लोग ज्वाइन नहीं कर पाए, so that's okay, and definitely we'll plan other meeting. फिर मिलेंगे, and this time we'll meet along with our tea or coffee cup. So
Purnima, last thing I wanted to tell. Purnima.
हाँ बोलो.
Yeah, so actually we should even thank all the moderators, Shelly and Anju and everybody, and Ashwini. They have also given us a good, like every day they share the affirmations and meditation, like songs and the YouTube videos, which are really very good. So we would also like to thank them for all the things.
Special thanks to our coaches and experts also. And Soumya, जो कि बैठी है उंगलियां हिला के कुछ कर रही है, तो उसको भी.
I actually have goosebumps after listening to everybody. I mean, kabhi I have never come across such thing, but such mein I actually have that अंदर से वो goosebumps वाली feeling. Thank you to everybody and all the very, very best to everyone.
Thank you, Soumya. तुम एक हमारी छोटी सी इंस्पिरेशन हो, but yes, a strong one. And thank you, Bhavika. Bhavika is also here with us. तो ये सबसे छोटा मेंबर हमारी कम्युनिटी का, बट यस, वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग लेडी, वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग गर्ल विद अस. So thank you thank you so much for sharing your views. कुछ रह गया तो please WhatsApp करना. And we love negative reviews also. That's not always positive. And anything you guys want us to include in this, please let us know. See you with more baking dishes with Anita and colorful platter from Maba. And thank you, everyone. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you and all the best. Stay connected.
Thank you, ma'am.
Stay motivated.
Thank you.
Thank you so much,
Bye.
ma'am.
Take care. Enjoy
Bye.
your weekend.
Take care.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Same to you. Bye-bye.
Take care.
First time बोली.